Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Green color, orange color, yellow color, brown color, blue color, black color, light green color, red color, violet color, pink color, light green color. Light green color A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Z. Z for grapes. Color. Brown color. H. H for horse. I. Brown color. Z. Z for Zeus. K. K for kite. L. L for light. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. Blue color. Blue color. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rain. S. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Red color. Red color. V. V for vase. W. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.